Welcome to our One Flooring Minute, where I try to answer commonly asked flooring questions in less than a minute. So today's question is, after we've refinished a hardwood floor, people ask, when can I put my area rugs back on my newly finished hardwood floor? So this one's pretty easy. You just need time for the floor to cure all the way. And the National Wood Flooring Association recommends that you put your rugs back no earlier than 3 weeks. So it's a good idea to wait 3 weeks before you put them on, because if not, it can cause discoloration and other things in your floor, and you do not want that. So be patient, keep those rugs off for 3 weeks, sometimes a little bit longer. It'll be for the good of your hardwood in the long run. So that's our question today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.